Welcome back to another episode of Tech Fit in Mind, where we explore the synergy between innovation, well-being, and mindset in the AC world. I'm Steve Walls, and today I've got a guest who checks every single box. Joining me is Todd Weaver, CAD Manager Associate at JVA, who's been shaping land and lives for over 2 decades. Todd, welcome to the show.
Thanks, Plum, to be here and chat about all things CAD, fitness, and keeping your head right.
So let's rewind the clock a bit. I heard your CAD origin story starts all the way back in 7th grade.
Yeah, it all started in shop class. There was a computer running some version of CAD, and one day the teacher says to me, "You're pretty good at that. You should think about a career in CAD." That moment stuck. I knew from that day I wanted to do something with drafting and design.
That's wild. Most of us were still figuring out how to use a jigsaw in shop class, and here you were getting your career path laid out.
Exactly. I started out in mechanical design, but once I got a taste of civil engineering, I was hooked. The fast-paced, deadline-driven nature of it, the idea of taking raw land and turning it into a site, it just clicked.
And now you're at JVA managing civil 3D workflows for almost 60 users?
Yep. I'm supporting users, managing standards, doing deployments, training, reviewing plans, you name it. Oh, and I'm still about 25% billable too, which I actually love. It keeps me sharp and helps me spot new ways to improve workflows.
I've got to say that blend of tech and leadership is rare, but the industry's shifted, right? The classic drafter role is kind of disappearing.
Totally. The drafter's almost phased out. It's all about designers now. And honestly, I think in time, even the designer role might get phased out as AI and smarter tools evolve.
Let's geek out for a sec, because I know you love workflow optimization. What lights you up most about the tech side?
Automation. Anytime I can eliminate a repetitive task and give someone 5 minutes of their day back, that's a win. 5 minutes a day times 60 users, do the math. That's real savings.
And I heard you've got some thoughts on AI's role in design?
Oh yeah, AI is already shifting how we work, just like the jump from drafting tables to CAD did. I'd love to see an AI assistant in Civil 3D that knows our company's standards, local codes, and design logic. It could guide users in real time.
Okay, I would ask if you're listening, make Todd's dream happen.
Please and thank you.
No, let's talk fit. With your schedule, how do you find time to move?
When I'm in the office, a walk, solo or with a coworker, does wonders. At home, I'll hit the treadmill while thinking through a problem. And my favorite, midday hockey games. I play in a lunchtime league.
Okay, wait, lunchtime hockey, that's next level lunch break.
It resets my brain and my body. I come back more focused and energized. That kind of balance is crucial.
Let's hit the mind piece. What keeps you going after 22 years in this industry?
Honestly, helping others. My role is about making the people around me more efficient, more confident, more successful. That motivates me every day.
And you said something that really stuck with me. Use tech to create more time, not consume it.
Exactly. Work smarter so we can have more time to enjoy life outside of it. That's the whole point.
You're also big on learning and community, right?
Huge. Join a group. Find your CAD nerd tribe. I love my Civil 3D groups. We swap ideas, share pain points, celebrate wins, forums, webinars, group chats. Those have been game changers for me.
So true. Community keeps us sharp.
Couldn't agree more.
Todd, before we wrap, 22 years in, you still love what you do. That's rare. Any final advice?
Yeah. If you're in this field, lean into learning, prioritize your health, and help lift others up. That's where the fulfillment is.
Wise words, my friends. Todd Weaver, AI dreamer, lunchtime hockey legend. Thanks for being here.
Thanks, Steve. This was awesome.
Thanks for tuning into this episode of Tech Fit in Mind. If Todd's story inspired you, share it, rate the show, and stay tuned for more episodes where we explore the intersection of technology, well-being, and leadership in AEC. Until next time, stay sharp, stay well, and keep building better.